Is your BMW X5 F15 key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead CR2032 battery. First, confirm the problem isn't a blown car battery or other vehicle issue. If the car starts with the key inserted, but the remote functions like lock, unlock, and panic are unresponsive, a battery replacement is likely the fix. To open the key fob, start by releasing the valet key. Then, use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool at the key ring notch or along the seam of the fob. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Avoid using excessive force. If you encounter resistance, double-check that you've removed the valet key and are prying at the correct location. Corrosion from old batteries can sometimes jam the case. In humid environments, you might even need to soak the edges in vinegar to loosen any residue before prying. Proceed slowly and carefully. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Remove the old battery carefully. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity with positive side up. You can buy these batteries from Amazon or AutoZone for $2 to $5. Before snapping the case back together, clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab if you see any corrosion. A little dielectric grease can help prevent future corrosion. Now carefully snap the key fob case shut. It should click together securely. Test the remote functions lock, unlock, panic near your vehicle. If it works, you've successfully replaced the battery. If it still doesn't work, double-check battery polarity and that the battery is new. If problems persist, the key fob may need reprogramming by a BMW dealer for $50 to $100, or have a more serious internal issue like a faulty capacitor. While rare, sometimes internal sensors fail after 5 to 7 years due to wear.